The affection for our homes, and particularly our bedrooms, stems from the emotions and memories they hold. From the choice of bed sheets and flooring to the selection of wallpapers and art pieces, the bedroom serves as the perfect canvas for us to express our creativity. However, in all our home decor efforts, one significant element that's often overlooked is the wardrobe. Wardrobes occupy substantial room space and play a crucial role in defining the overall aesthetics of the space. They shouldn't just complement the overall look of the bedroom, but also offer safe and organized storage solutions. Hello and welcome to MBTV. I'm your host, Nitya Krishnamurthy Padmanabhan, and today we will explore some of the best wardrobe designs for your bedroom that are both practical and luxurious. So stay tuned, remember to subscribe to MBTV and hit the bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos. Today there's a variety of wardrobe types tailored to suit individual needs and align with the specific dimensions and layout of the bedroom they'll occupy. While choosing a wardrobe for any room, you must first narrow down your options to either a freestanding or built-in wardrobe. Freestanding wardrobes offer the advantage of easy portability, allowing for effortless relocation to another room or home if required. On the other hand, built-in wardrobes, while immobile, offer the key benefit of customization, permitting personalization in terms of materials, dimensions, and colors to be in harmony with your unique style and practical requirements. While choosing or designing a wardrobe for any bedroom, the primary consideration revolves around the choice of materials and finishes. The aim is to create a wardrobe that is durable and also aesthetically appealing. Also, the list of finishes you can choose from is endless. Most interior designers recommend using MDF, that is medium density fiberboard, HDF, that is high density fiberboard, or plywood, all of which are strong, durable, and suitable for wardrobes. Coming to the types of finishes, you can opt for laminates, including matte and high gloss, veneers, acrylic, lacquered glass, or glass finishes as per your budget and taste. However, it is important to note that each bedroom has a specific purpose and the interiors must align accordingly. For example, the master bedroom is usually the most stylish in any home. Thus, a wardrobe finish such as veneer or lacquered glass would blend in well with the overall decor. Let's now delve into the different styles of wardrobes for your bedroom based on your lifestyle, taste, and budget. Sliding door wardrobes are great for rooms with space constraints, particularly where accessing a swinging door wardrobe proves challenging. A range of sliding mechanisms, such as overlapping or inline door mechanisms, caters to diverse budgets. These doors offer customization options with a variety of finishes like tinted mirrors, acrylic, or frosted glass. Adding tinted glass and incorporating wooden accents presents an option to infuse a touch of luxury into your bedroom, especially in the master bedroom. Additionally, integrating LED strip lights within a wardrobe design amplifies its appeal. These wooden accents can either be laminates or veneers. You can also choose from different frame colors for the wardrobe doors to complement the tones of your bedroom. With emphasis on maximum storage, some shutter wardrobes are designed with an attached study unit to make the best use of the space. These wardrobes offer a sleek and streamlined design that can complement various interior styles, providing a cohesive look to the room. These are ideal for children's, especially teenagers' bedrooms. Ample storage and a study unit are what your soon-to-be grown-up kids need. Let's face it, we all struggle with storage space crunch in our wardrobes, as many items that are not used all year round occupy any extra space. Loft storage significantly increases the available space within the wardrobe as it utilizes the often disregarded vertical space above the regular hanging and shelving areas. Don't we all wish to own a celebrity-inspired walk-in wardrobe? They provide extensive space for storage, allowing better organization of clothes, shoes, accessories, and other personal items. The room-like layout offers plenty of space to move around comfortably. They also offer customizable storage solutions with various shelves, hanging racks, drawers, and compartments. Walk-in wardrobes are best suited for large bedrooms. Mirrored wardrobes fulfill a dual purpose. With their built-in mirrors, they remove the necessity for a separate dressing area, simultaneously enhancing the size and brightness of your room visually. This modern wardrobe design is a great option for compact spaces. Emerging from the need to optimize storage within homes, a modular wardrobe offers ample space. The notion of arranging clothes and accessories in a tidy and structured manner is appealing to most homeowners. These were some of the basic aspects you need to know before buying a wardrobe for your home. Remember, the ultimate decision depends on your individual storage needs, personal choice, lifestyle, budget, and the decor of your home. If you found this video helpful and informative, do like and share it. For more such videos, remember to subscribe to MBTV and hit the bell icon to stay notified. This is Nitya Krishnamurthy Padmanabhan signing off with camera person Nagendran Sukumar.